is why it makes it important. We cut across to these live pictures, dramatic visuals on your screens of the protest that is underway over that alleged illegal mosque in Simla. There you see how these protesters are trying to break those barricades. This despite the fact that prohibitory orders were issued, that huge crowds cannot gather, there cannot be any protest that should be staged. And here you see how protesters are trying to break down those barricades. Angry protesters who are raising slogans, and this is primarily over the alleged illegal mosque that has caused a huge stir. Those are the pictures on your screens of the protests that are underway and how the cops are now trying to contain the situation, where a heavy media contingent also tracking around the developments of what is happening right now. I believe Lalit is at this spot where these dramatic pictures are streaming live. Lalit, take us through the details of what the protesters are demanding.
If you talk about the protest, right now we are in the Dhali tunnel in Shimla area, where you can see that hundreds of protesters are trying to march from this tunnel towards the Sanjoli Chowk, where that illegal building structure has been constructed, from where that whole controversy has erupted. You can see that hundreds of the Hindu groups and the local residents right now, police is trying to stop them, and heavy barricading have been done. But still, you can see that the protesters are trying to break the barricades. Scuffle can be seen as police on the other side is trying to stop the barricades, so that the barricades are not broken. See, the barricades have been broken by the protesting Hindus here. You can see that the protesting people have broken the barricades here in the Dhali tunnel. Hundreds of protesters have assembled here, have gathered here. Already Section 163 have been imposed, and the gathering of more than five people are not allowed. But still, you can see that the protesters are trying to move ahead. You can see that the protesters are trying to move ahead, and the police is trying to stop the angry protesters who are trying to move away, who are trying to go to the place where heavy barricading have been done in the Sanjoli illegal building structure which has been done here. From the past 20 days, the Hindu groups have been annoyed the way this whole structure has been made. They are demanding that this Still the protest can be seen here. The protesters can be seen marching ahead from that place. You can see that the barricades are being broken by the protesting people here, trying to move ahead. Hundreds of people have assembled here. Heavy police deployment has been done, but you can see that the people are moving ahead to the place where that illegal building structure has been made in this Sanjoli side. See, the barricading have been thrown away. These are the visuals here. People can be seen sloganing. People can be seen marching ahead. People are quite angry by the way that illegal structure has been made here. So the whole crowd, hundreds of people can be seen moving ahead. You can see these are the visuals here from the ground zero, from the Dhali tunnel, where the protesters are trying to march ahead. The whole controversy has erupted because of the illegal building structure in Sanjoli area. Protesters are demanding that this building should be demolished. This case is already under court, but still you can see that the people are trying to march ahead. Barricades have been broken here. You can see that people are standing on the barricade. People can be seen sloganeering. People can be seen shouting. They are trying to move ahead. So these are the visuals here from Ground Zero, Republic TV, trying to show you the angry mob trying to move ahead. Police trying to stop them, but now the barricades have been broken and the protesting people are marching ahead. So these are the visuals here from Ground Zero, where you can see that hundreds of people have marched ahead.
All right, Lalit, they're getting us the details from the ground, where we see protesters who've come out in huge numbers and they're trying to break through those barricades. In fact, many of them have also managed to break through them and cross to the other side. Now, these are protesters who are staging this protest despite the prohibitory orders, and protesters who are raising their voice against alleged illegal construction of a structure in Shimla's Sanjoli area, where prohibitory orders are out due to the rising tensions and a Bandh call. Lalit continues to speak to us due to reasons as his internet may be fluctuating. I'm not sure, Lalit, if you're able to hear me, but keep showing us all the live action and take us through what is happening there at the moment.
The situation seems to be quite tense now. The situation here seems to be quite tense now, as people have started marching towards that illegal building structure. Hundreds of people, you can see, are marching towards that structure. The barricading which has been done here by the police, so that these people are not allowed to enter. You can see that whole barricading have been thrown on the road. These are the visuals here. These are the visuals from Ground Zero, where you can see the barricading have been thrown apart. All the protesting people can be seen marching towards that illegal building structure which is located in the Shimla Sanjoli area. Right now where we are standing, these are the visuals from the Dhali tunnel, and just around 500 meters away is that illegal building structure. So hundreds of people can be seen marching towards that building structure. In all the entry points of the Dhali town has been stopped by the police, but the barricading now have been broken, and the angry crowd, the angry mob can be seen marching ahead towards that. So these are the visuals here from Ground Zero. So hundreds of the protesting Hindus, the local residents, can be seen moving ahead. Police near that tunnel has now stopped there only. Ahead also heavy deployment has been done. So these are the visuals here from Ground Zero Republic TV is giving you each and every report from Ground Zero, where the people can be seen marching ahead towards that illegal building structure which has been constructed. The whole issue has been erupted and stormed in the Himachal Vidhan Sabha when the cabinet minister Mr. Anirudh Singh raised that issue in the Vidhan Sabha over the illegal building structure and on the people of fake identity. So they are demanding that the people of fake identity should be verified. A proper phenomena should be made so that no people with fake identity should reside here. The local people near that building are the one who are the most sufferers. They have complained regarding that, and when a recent hearing took place in the MC court, a petition was filed by the local residents that they should also be made the party. So right now here seems that to be a tense situation, as now the hundreds of these Hindus, the local residents, are sloganeering, they are marching towards that illegal building structure which has been made near the Sanjoli Chowk. They are demanding that this illegal building structure should be demolished, and the people from the other states who come to